This is Bardsey Island, 3 kilometres off the coast of North Wales. The island is part of the Pen Llŷn a Sarnau Special Area of Conservation. The waters around Bardsey are protected as they provide vitally important habitat for the wildlife they host. We'd like to take you on a short visit to the island to show you some of the animals that we study on the Bardsey Marine Mammal Project. Autumn is a busy time for grey seals on the island. More than 200 seals gather in preparation for the pupping season. This pup is just a few hours old. It's still stained yellow from the fluid in its mother's womb. Their milk is 60% fat, and the pups grow quickly, gaining 10 kilograms each week. A sniff tells the mum that it's her pup. The mother won't feed herself at all during this time, and she'll lose 40% of her own body weight. In just 3 weeks, a pup's weight more than trebles, and the mother leaves them to fend for themselves. It won't be long before the pup will be heading out to sea too, independently. Grey seal numbers have been steadily increasing on the island, and staff from the Bardsey Bird Observatory have been monitoring them for decades. There are now more than 60 pups born each year. Despite this population increase on the island, their available habitat globally may be disappearing. Over half of the world's population of grey seals are found in the British Isles, so protecting their habitat here is vitally important for the species. Individual seals can be identified by unique patterns on their fur, and we are cataloguing each animal and their habitat on Bardsey Island to better understand what they need to thrive. Off the shores of the island, you may be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of a dolphin's fin breaking the water's surface. A variety of species, such as harbour porpoise, common and bottlenose dolphin, can be seen passing by. But one marine mammal that really makes a splash is the Risso's dolphin. Between May and October, they can be seen in playful pods moving through the powerful currents found in the waters surrounding the island. Their blunt-shaped heads make them easy to distinguish from other dolphins, and as they age, they gain a pattern of unique scars. Globally, the Risso's dolphin has a wide distribution, but very little is known about their behaviour because they favour deep waters, making it very difficult to study them. Bardsey Island is one of the few places where they often come close to shore, making it an ideal location to learn more about them. This large pod has several calves in tow, showing that the area could be important for raising young. The Bird Observatory staff have for many years been adding photographs taken from land and from boats to a growing catalogue of images. However, in 2021 we began a project using aerial photography to identify individual dolphins by the unique scarring on their dorsal fin. With the help of Welsh Government funding, we've been able to get the project in full motion with sea watches across 4 months of the year. By sharing data with other researchers, we're building a better understanding of the Risso's dolphins so we can learn how to protect them and the waters that they use. If you'd like to learn more about the Bardsey Marine Mammal Project and Bardsey Bird Observatory, follow our social media. We'll be sharing updates and information on how you can help.